Ndicela, I was not there. Ndandilwa nezinto endandingena kuzibamba. I missed your first steps, ndaphoswa zinyembezi zakho, but I still knew your name. Every night, every day. Ndicela undive, listen my child. Ayikwinto endifuna than your healing smile. Dandikude not by choice, dandiqhekekile ngaphakathi. Mamele inhliziyo yami, it still calls to you. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, forgive your father now. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, I am here somehow. Ndingutata wakho, I never stop loving you. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, I'm reaching out to you. There were doors that closed and storms I could not name. Dandibaleke bumnyameni, trying to survive the pain. I wore my shame like stone and hid it in my chest. But every day I thought of you, you were my prayer, my best. Ndicela undive, hear me son, oh girl. I would turn back time if I could change this world. Dandikude not by choice, but my heart stayed near. Mamele inhliziyo yami, I am standing here. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, forgive your father now. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, I am here somehow. Ndingutata wakho, I never stop loving you. Ndicela uxolo umntwana, I'm reaching out to you. Kukhangele emva, see the tears I kept. I was broken, I was lost, but I never slept. Ndifuna ukwakha